Good morning, YouTube! I know I put makeup on today. I don't even recognize myself. But I wanted to make it a point to get ready today because I just think it makes me feel better as I approach the day. So I was taking a couple selfies in the mirror for IG. And I got this little onesie in Australia. And it's really, really cute. I think it's like a bodysuit. I don't even think it's like a bathing suit, but it kind of has like a bathing suit material. But these tan lines though, I think I might go even it out and just tan in the tanning bed just to even them out because they kind of look a little bit crazy. But anyway, I'll show you. Yeah. And I have a teeth cleaning right now, so I'm gonna go meet Gigi. He's actually getting bottom braces. That's gonna be fun. And I'm gonna go meet him right now, so see you guys there. So I'm warming up my car, and before you guys ask, I literally got these on the Venice, like, touristy area. I think I got them for like 10 bucks. What do you guys think? I always get super expensive glasses and I lose them or I scratch them. So I'm gonna try to go more towards a $10 pair of glasses. But I'm running late per usual. I'm warming up my car because my mom will yell at me if I don't. But I'm loving my straight hair. I literally have not straightened my hair probably for like, I don't know, couple years, or I do it like once a year, but it just seems a lot more manageable and it's not, doesn't look all done up because my hair has a lot of volume. So normally I don't like to do it, I just have it in a bun, but I think straight hair might be way more manageable for me, so I can do something with my hair. But on a real note, I can't see because I'm in my garage.
Hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
Got my teeth cleaned, nothing major today, and Gigi just got his braces in. You'll see them.
Hi.
Let me see.
Mm-mm.
Come on, show me. Wow. How they feel?
They don't feel bad right now, but I guess they'll start to feel worse and worse throughout the day and tomorrow.
Like painful?
Like a very aggravating, like annoying feeling.
That's what I've heard.
And I can't bite correctly right now, so.
Ooh.
Yeah. But it's just that my front teeth hit, so there's like a gap in my bite, so I have to change my diet a little bit. But
that sounds really serious.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose all your gains.
What gains?
Hello. Do I have any packages? I won't put you on my vlog unless you want to be on my vlog. I haven't checked my packages in like, I don't know, a month because I've been gone.
Out of town, so
Yeah.
It's not, you have like, it's not your fault. You're enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
Can't be wrong about that. By the way, how long's your though? There's one.
Awesome.
Here's two. There's an Amazon one for Garrett right there.
Oh, there is? Yeah, it's probably for me then.
There's two Amazons for Garrett.
Oh, perfect. When did these come in? A while ago, probably?
These are things, so they came in, one of them came in on January 11th, January 12th, January 18th, 30th, and then yesterday and today.
Yesterday and today. Awesome.
So those were some of those. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. One more package and one more box.
I think might just take this for now because I think this might be enough for me to carry. Unless they're smaller. That's what happens when you don't check your mail for a month. So first things first, I'm gonna have a meal with the food that I prepped yesterday. So normally like when I prep food and stuff, like, and I'm dieting or eating like a clean diet, I don't really, I don't know, like, I'm not a big person for like the taste of food. Like, I know what it takes to diet down and to lose weight and to tone up. And none of it's like that fun. So I've just learned like over the years, especially competing, like just to have like plain food. I don't need like to make things all extravagant and tasty and stuff like that. I'm very okay with plain food, not because I actually enjoy it, but because it's kind of like I put myself in the mindset of I know what it takes to get to my goal. Like I've been talking about, like my goal is just to tone up and to get a little bit leaner. I've been weighing in about 112, 113, and I kind of want to get down to about 109. So it's not that much weight, and that'll probably drop in like the next week or two. So I've been kind of doing like double days for a couple days, but I think I'm just gonna do like one session of cardio a day, a good heavy, you know, weight training, and then I'll be eating clean. So this is my 4th day like eating pretty dang clean. I haven't had like any cheats or anything. I haven't had any alcohol either, so I just completely cut it out. I'm like the type of person that like I'm all in or all out, so like I don't know how to do things halfway. So if I'm gonna drink, then I'll just have more than 1 glass of wine, but if I'm not gonna drink, then I won't drink at all. So anyway, I'm gonna have a meal and then I'm gonna get my crusty nails done at, I think because they're a little bit growing out. I don't know if I like this shape. I think I want to go back to natural. What do you guys think? I like this shape because it's kind of like a little bit more dress. It's called an almond shape, and you guys always ask me what it is. So my nails are almond shape, and I've been getting them for like a couple months now, but I actually like the really natural look normally. So let me know what you guys think. Should I go natural or should I keep them? We'll see what I do today. But my appointment's at 3, so I'm going to eat this and then I'm going to open those packages and see if anything exciting came for me. And some of them are Garrett's too, so maybe I'll open his stuff. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what came in the mail. So these are the new wireless solo beats. I'm gonna announce the winners for just being engaged and stuff like that. So I had to order another pair. I forgot about those. I ordered those when I was in Australia. Okay, the last, I guess you guys like this. The last one. Oh, these are my earrings that Gigi got me. Oh, wow, they're so pretty. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys, but in Australia at the Australian Open, it was our 3-month anniversary, and Garrett's like super sweet, to where he's like very thoughtful, and I didn't even remember the day he actually asked me to be his girlfriend. We've been dating now for 5 months, but he asked me 3 months ago to be his girlfriend, so he knows the date. I can't even tell you what the date is. I've never been one to like celebrate an anniversary or anything like that. Like, I've never had boyfriends that even cared, or I don't know, that's just not something that I do. And like, I feel like a lot of girls do that. But he showed me on his phone, because we were not at the house for him to give them to me, but he said, I bought you diamond earrings for our 3-month anniversary. And it was just like really, really sweet, because he's so thoughtful. And it was just like probably one of the sweetest things anybody's done for me, not because they were diamond earrings, but because it was the thought, and that he even just remembered the date. And he knows that like I'm wearing like some fake ones right now, because my other diamond earrings, I lost one of them when I bought some for myself like a while back. So I've been talking about that I want to get some, I just haven't. But look at, they're so pretty. I think I want to say they're like, let me see what they are. I think they're about, so they're 1.5 carat, so altogether I believe, so it's like 0.75 carats per earring. Oh my god, I'm so excited! These are so pretty. Okay, so you guys could probably see them a little bit better. It's hard for them to focus. Anyway, they're freaking gorgeous. Whee, I'm so excited. Where are you? Say hello to YouTube. Oh shit, hold on. I lost you, hold on, wait.
Hold on. Where are you going?
I'm gonna go get my freaking ratchet nails done, Kay, because I'm trying to be girly again. Thank you. That feeling when your legs are sore and you're walking down the stairs. Dun, 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 dun. Look cool, look cool. Look cool. Act like nothing's wrong. Act like nothing's wrong. Act like nothing's wrong when people are staring at you looking weird because you don't know how to walk down steps correctly because your legs are so sore.
Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see,
I like to support like local like startup companies, and especially women. There's like, I think there's like 5 designers that they design the jewelry in there, and they all sell their own individual jewelry, and it's all really cute. Like, I always want to buy the entire store. But anyway, I had rings like this before, but so I just want to show you guys my nails. So the gel is called tiramisu. I've got them before. I got a more I guess like an oval shape. They're not my normal almond, that they were too pointy, so I wanted them a little bit natural this time, so it's more like an oval shape. And I got these very dainty little rings, and they're like solid gold, I believe, or they're gold filled, so they don't make your fingers turn all crusty and stuff, like green and everything, so I could have them for a while. And then I got a different one on this finger. It's kind of like a dotted one, but I guess I'm more like a gold person. That's kind of more what I lean towards, and I like dainty stuff, so I got this hand that way and this hand this way, but I might change them up a little bit. But I just like really very small, like little things. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys because you guys always ask me where I get certain stuff, and I'll probably be wearing them all the time. Also, I got this necklace made, and she made it right there in front of me. I wasn't able to bring my vlog camera, but I did get a little bit on my phone camera, and it says strong. It's what she could fit on there, and kind of I just wanted a word that represented me, so that's what I got. And then I also got a little tiny little tiny necklace, and I put Gigi on it. So when I sit with him in his tournaments and just, I don't know, just something dainty, and I showed him and he really liked it. So that's where I was at. And now I'm sitting in front of Whole Foods in the same parking lot as Costco, and I'm going to run into Whole Foods and get some food because I'm starving. I thought my protein shake would last me or hold me off, but it's not going to. So I'm gonna go run and get some good food real quick, eat that, go to Costco, stock up on some chicken and some rice and veggies probably, and then I'm gonna hit the gym. And I think I'm gonna do chest and arms today. So wish me luck. So I got grilled turkey breasts, white potatoes with rosemary, and they cooked them in a little bit of oil, and then grilled asparagus.